Chicago to Dallas, and then Dallas to Denver. That's 26 hours in total. This is going to be tough. Okay, let's proceed to the tractor inspection and pre-trip checklist. Okay, my 14 hours duty has already begun. I'll have 15 minutes to pick up the trailer and about 1 hour 30 minutes to load it, following a 14 hours road trip. We have 79,000 pounds of logistic goods. This is really heavy. I'll have to be extra careful. Nothing better than listening to some good music. I love this so much. This hardstyle playlist is amazing. Okay, we just arrived to the location. Let's proceed to the check-in inside the warehouse. Hi, I'm here to pick up trailer number 1157. ID, TR00478. Chicago, Dallas.
Jack Arnold's. Truck Tractor RE0746, correct?
Yes, absolutely correct. Here is my bill of lading, pickup authorization, CDL and ELD data.
Thank you. The trailer is partially preloaded. We will have to load another 20,000 pounds of logistic supplies. Please park your tractor in Area 14, Plot 5, for the pickup procedure.
That was the last part. Everything seems to be correct. I'm going to proceed to another pre-trip inspection. Let's go.
Hey, can you please wear your safety vest while doing inspection? It is required.
Sure. My apologies. Okay. Inspection is finished. Let's proceed to a quick tug test, and we're ready to go. We put the truck in gear, and apply the service brakes. Now we attempt to accelerate a bit. Great, the truck is not moving forward, it works perfectly. "7 hours and 504 miles remaining before arrival. I'm feeling a bit tired. I'm going to find a rest area and sleep a bit. I can't be driving more than 11 hours in a 14 hours duty." Alright, is there a place here? Yes, of course. Getting a spot in the first rest area is like winning the jackpot. I'm going to search for another one. Oh my gosh, man. I slept so bad last night. Took me 1 hour to find a decent spot. Yesterday was a full 14 hours duty period. I still have 1 hour before my next duty starts. I have been off for 9 hours. Let's go search a coffee. Thank you very much. That coffee is amazing. It gives me some energy back. Let's complete the logbook, so we can start the day. This is stuck again. The traffic is definitely one of the worst part of this job. I'm really tired of it. I'm going to call the client to inform him about a potential delay in shipping. This is stressing me. Hello, this is Warjack from Trucking Corporation. I'm scheduled to deliver a shipment to your location. May I speak with the receiving department or the person in charge?
Hi, this is Brian in the receiving department. How can I help you?
Hi Brian. I'm calling to confirm my arrival for the delivery schedule today. I will have a slight delay of maximum 45 minutes. I have a shipment with reference number 47518.
Thank you for the information. I will update the shipping time. Please do your best to arrive as soon as possible.
It's raining again. The bad weather is really annoying. I will have to slow down because my cargo is really heavy. Finally, we arrived. Okay, let's check in the receiving office, provide documentation, shipment details, unload the trailer, sign off and get my proof of delivery. You can do this, Warjack. Finally home.